XRP holders, welcome back. Let's talk some XRP news today. This will be some kind of breaking news, if you will, because right now there's a huge update that's coming about for Ripple that I want to talk about for financial institutions, as well as some of the more prominent signs that we're seeing that the XRP ETF could be in the work, as well as is an XRP rally imminent. Okay, we're going to cover all those headlines, get you guys the XRP news today. If you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe right down below. Please smash that like button and let's talk some crypto. Okay, and obviously, guys, what I'm talking to you about is not financial advice, so always do your own research and due diligence. All right, but as we look at XRP right now, 7th in market cap, we are trading hands at 53 cents flat. 53 is kind of that range that we've seen over the day where we're relatively flat, 2.4% up on the week. And over the course of the last month, this has been where we've seen a relatively flat month, only down 1.1%. But over the course of the year, it's still been kind of relatively stable. But we have made about 10% in gains over the last 365 days. And XRP at a $30 billion market cap is still one of those cryptos that's one of my picks for the next altcoin season, whatever you want to call it. I think that there's a lot of bullish catalysts that are in the works for XRP that, quite frankly, the crypto world does not appreciate. I always talk about XRP, that they're in their own category, and that's how I feel about it right here today. So let's get into these headlines, because right now the biggest kind of update here is that Ripple is rolling out a crypto storage service within financial institutions. We've seen this, and this quote is coming down by Senior Vice President of Products at Ripple, Aaron Sledehaw, saying that the goal is to support the growing needs of businesses operating in crypto and fintech sectors. Now, this is the exact quote: as the Ripple custody is expanding capabilities to better serve high-growth crypto and fintech businesses with secure and scalable digital asset custody. Now, it'll be more user-friendly within storage and managing digital assets. This is going to integrate with the XRP ledger and enhance the anti-money laundering monitoring to ensure compliance. So that's always a good thing as we look at regulations being one of the hurdles for Ripple as of recent. Also, the Ripple stablecoin is in beta testing. A lot of people think that Ripple could get XRP could get a huge boost from that if they do look to challenge Tether. Whether or not you believe in kind of the CBDC narrative or just the fact that Ripple stablecoin is going to be a bullish catalyst for XRP, that's something that we need to talk about. We're going to continue to cover that as that continues to evolve. But right now, the stablecoin market is becoming a little bit crowded, and there's a lot of potential with the RLUSD, but it needs to kind of differentiate itself with what it has to offer. But with all this being said, will XRP have a 25% rally? The biggest news that we need to talk about is we have seen a lot of crypto kind of see their gains erase in October, and that's a month that historically has always seen a lot of optimism in otherwise known as Uptober. Grayscale is going to be launching its own investment product for XRP. That coupled with a lot of bullish patterns on the chart that we are seeing right now, that is something that's going to be a very bullish kind of narrative as we look into the first few days of October. Did XRP find its bottom? Is the only way for it to go up? We'll see. I think the appeal process going on with the SEC and Ripple is going to be one of the things that we have to talk about more so. But for me, guys, we get further in October, I think XRP has room to run, but we need to get that clarity coming out of the courthouse before we do experience any of these sustained price gains, okay? So that's kind of where I'm at with that. We need to stay in tune because I think there are going to be a lot of high-powered announcements in the future, and one of those being the XRP ETF, okay? So there's been a lot of months of speculation, anticipation, and that's where a lot of community members within an XRP army believe that the ETF is on its way. Okay, so in a recent post on X, researcher Anderson has highlighted several points supporting the view that the market is gearing up for XRP ETFs. Grayscale's decision to have their XRP trust is a strategic move, kind of the precursor to getting that XRP ETF. Now, whether or not you believe in that being a buy the rumor, sell the news event, if it's going to be something sustained in terms of a catalyst, time will tell. Okay, we saw what had happened with Bitcoin, within Ethereum. It was kind of short-lived, but hey, all in all, Bitcoin is above 60,000, and that's something where we're still kind of surprised by that. I think we're taking kind of taking that for granted, if you want to ask me my honest opinion. Okay, but that's kind of where we look at the XRP ETF to kind of really take flight, because I think they are next. Okay, and then we can talk about Solana a little bit, but I think that XRP definitely has the leg up. All right. But we have seen a lot of the prospects of the XRP ETFs with other investment products and vehicles that do allow XRP to be like kind of institutionally offered. And this is before the ETFs came a thing. Larry Fink commented on the prospects of this on Fox in an interview back in January, and basically said rather than ruling out the possibility or expressing optimism, he kind of went with a half full, half empty glass approach and refrained from commenting. Okay. But Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse also had a similar kind of statement in an interview in October where he said that an XRP ETF is inevitable. So we'll see what that catalyst has in store for Ripple and XRP. But for me, guys, it's a great time where you just kind of have to take a wait and see approach. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I want to see kind of where the market's headed. And I do think that if we do get that finality, that total conclusion to this argument within the SEC and Ripple, I think that's where we really need to have that happen if we want to talk about the long-term prospectus of XRP really taking off and having some sustained organic growth, okay? Because I believe in what they have to offer. It's just right now we need to have that runway clear for takeoff before anything happens in terms of significant price movements, okay? So that's my update with XRP today. Appreciate you guys watching. If you are new to the channel, before you guys exit this video, make sure you all subscribe down below, smash that like button, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.